Alright guys, so what we got today is we got my Durango again, and before I did YouTube I kind of put this exhaust on and forgot to video it. I didn't do an unboxing or a layout of how the exhaust looked or anything, but I want to review it now because I've had it for probably 3 months now and love this exhaust. Never owned a Borla before, but that's what this is. It's a full cat back all the way. It replaces the suitcase muffler all the way back to the resonators. It's a full pipe set. It's pretty aggressive. It's when I got it, it wasn't that loud, and I was kind of disappointed at first. But the more I drove it, it got louder. So now it's to what I like, and that aggressive volume is there now. So when you get the exhaust, it obviously comes in a whole bunch of pieces, and the instructions tell you that on the left side, the driver's side, that they want you to unbolt the muffler and the tip on that side, but you don't have to. So if you get up under there, you'll see in the instructions there's a hanger up in the bumper and a hanger up in the bumper here. So if you go all the way up front, there's I can crawl under there and show you guys too. There's where it bolts to the catalytic converters. If you unbolt those 4 bolts, get it all loosened up and nothing holding it on no more, and then you do all the hangers all the way back, and you get up there in the back with the hangers on either side and get them undone. And you get under there with the creeper, you're laying on your back. What you do is you let it lay across your entire body, and you grab the tips and you pull it off the catalytic converters because there's studs out there, and then you just grab the tips and you pinch them together and you drop it down, and the whole entire exhaust will come off in one whole section, so you don't have to unbolt it, and you don't scratch nothing, you don't ruin nothing. So that's the one thing that in the instructions it tells you to do that, but you really don't have to. But fitment is super nice. How it sounds is super nice, and I definitely would recommend this for anybody else that's got a Durango. So we'll get a startup of it and give you how it sounds.